Welcome to the Mint Report, our wrap-up of the day's business news. Here are the top stories. Wockhardt told to clear all dues to bondholders. Shares of Dhanalakshmi Bank plunge over accusation of irregularities. And Indian markets break a two-day winning streak. Drug company Wockhardt has been ordered to pay bondholders a large sum of cash after a default. On Tuesday, the Bombay High Court set a schedule for Wockhardt to repay dues to holders of foreign currency convertible bonds. That means a total of some 417 crores. Wockhardt will have to pay 80 crores by the end of the year and another 30 crores by the end of January, followed by an extra 100 before April and 50 in June. All dues that still remain will have to be paid up by August. The money will be in addition to 115 crores Wockhardt has already paid up. The company had defaulted on a redemption of more than 500 crores back in October of 2009, which led to legal action. On the bright side, Tuesday's court decision clears the way for Wockhardt to complete the sale of its nutrition business to French firm Danone. Moving on, Tuesday proved to be traumatic for private lender Dhanalakshmi Bank. Shares of the bank took a severe battering after concerns about irregularities. They plunged some 24% on the BSE at one point, only to recover after the bank denied the accusations. Shares of Dhanalakshmi Bank closed 10% lower at 64 rupees and 45 paise on a day overall markets ended flat. The rout of Dhanalakshmi stocks came after reports that the All India Bank Officers Confederation had told the Reserve Bank about alleged tampering with accounts and other problems. In other news, Prime Minister Manmohan Singh has sounded an optimistic note about India's economy. In a statement on Tuesday, he said the country's GDP would grow at close to 8% this fiscal. But Singh added that curbing inflation was still a challenge. Wholesale inflation in India stood at 9.78% in August. And finally, Indian shares broke a two-day winning streak on Tuesday, despite making gains in the early hours of the session. The losses came amidst concerns about corporate earnings and industrial output numbers scheduled to come out on Wednesday. The Sensex ended trade with a loss of 21 points at 16,536 and the Nifty lost 5 to finish at 4,974. IT stocks were among the worst hit, with Infosys expected to announce its quarterly results on Wednesday. Shares of the firm tumbled 3.17% on the BSE to 2,509, and Tata Consultancy Services lost 2.26% to wind up at 1,041. Wipro closed 2% lower at 341.5 rupees. One sector that made gains was telecom, with investors welcoming the draft national telecom policy announced the previous day. Shares of Bharti Airtel jumped up 3.18% on the BSE to 375, and Reliance Communications nudged up 0.27% to 74 rupees. And that's all we have for you. Thanks for watching.